how to customize the wall charger. As you can see, this model is our top rated model. It has two ports. The one is PD port, which can support 20 watt. The other is USB port, which can support QC 3.0, and it can also support 18 watt. And this model can also support almost all the agreements of the phones. And you can see the size is also mini, so you can take it when you go to traveling. It can be easily put into your pocket, your bag, your traveling bag. It is very convenient. And here is the packing. You can see it has a transparent crystal packing. And this packing is also mini. So it can help you to save your freight. For more information, please follow us about the charger.